And now, another episode of Suspense. Little Billy had always wanted to be a rapper. Billy had always wanted to be a gun clapper. Billy always wanted to dress like a 1920s flapper, but gay, with guns. And now he could. Billy had always wanted to get an inordinate number of facial tattoos, referencing cartoons, and now he had.
That's it, fam. I've done it now. I've used way too much pitch correction on my vocals and mumbled my way through my first album. And now I'm gonna be famous and get all the hoe ladies and bang them upside down, backwards, with things in my bottom. Just like all the famous people I adore do.
When suddenly, the devil himself appeared in front of Bobby. Hello, Bobby.
Hey, what's up, fam?
I am the devil.
What's up, man? It is what it is.
I have one thing to ask you, Bobby.
What's up? What's up, good boy?
What? I can't understand you, fat. Oh shit, he already overdosed. Fuck. The devil stood there awkwardly, wondering whether he should notify Billy's parents of his recent opiate overdose at the young age of 19 years old. But the devil said,
"It's whatever, man. I'm on this bitch."
This has been another episode of Suspense, motherfucker.
Yeah! Woo!